All right, quick walk through here. Just got started, sprayed down some wax removal. This is a wax removal process. Already removed the wax in this room. There's some darker areas that will lighten up after they dry. And then we're gonna put another coat of poly over this, a screen and recoat with the wax removal. But you can see just how much wax, years and years of Rejuvenate has been caked onto this. So we're working our way through here. Gonna do the kitchen and the hallway next. But this room is done. Look how nice that looks with just the wax taken off. We had that coat of poly over it to protect it. It's gonna make it beautiful. And yeah, that's what we're doing. We are using, to remove the wax, show you what we're using here. I say we, but I mean me. Just me tonight. Pro Care by Pro Coat floor polish and wax remover. Mix it up. Had to mix it pretty heavy, heaviest dilution to get this stuff loosened up. And again, it's caked on so strongly that I am using my 175 with a black pad to get this wax off. And even at that, it's still taken me about 2 passes. This area right here might take me 3. We'll see what it looks like. And then going over it with the Karcher floor scrubber to take up all the wax and clean the floors, leave them in a nice neutral state. So big job right now tonight. We're just removing the wax. Come back Saturday, we're gonna screen and recoat it. Alright guys, so this is one of the craziest wax removals I've ever seen. This is so thick and just combined with grease. And layer after layer added. This area over here, it's dark, but you can tell it's not caked with grease and everything. Came back 3 or 4 days later. We are going to be screening this now, putting a coat of sealer over the areas where the finish coat came up. With the stripping process, there's a few spots that still need a little more stripping. We're going to do that mechanically with the stripping pad. And we're going to vacuum everything. Put a sealer coat down, splash down, Pro Coat splash down sealer. Wherever there's bare wood, another spot of sealer we gotta get out, or another spot of wax we gotta get up. Just a few little wax spots, those are gonna come right up. And then we're gonna screen down, probably sand this down a little bit more to get this darkness out, and then seal that. So it's looking really good process here. Take some more before photos before we get started. Final step here, we are rolling out the floor. Put a sealer coat before, now this is Aqua Pro semi-gloss 2-part. One of my favorite finishes to use. So after the final coat, finished product.
There's 1 quart of powder, right?
So in this one, these 2 rooms, I actually put 2 because I'm not going to charge you for it. It was really only 25 bucks for the gallon because it was a sealer coat, and that prepped it.
Okay.
So, but yeah, this one's got 2. It built it up a little bit.
Yes, there's some.
Mm-hmm.